Good afternoon, students. Now discuss the next topic of class 12 physics, magnetic field due to solenoids. Now discuss the solenoid in the last video, the basic introduction of the solenoids. Magnetic field due to solenoids. Now clarify the diagrams. This is crosses. Crosses also represent the directions of current inwards. This is right hand thumb rule, inwards, and dotted also represent the direction of current is outwards. This is outwards, this is outward, this is outward. इस तरीके से this is outwards. Now you know that if direction of the current is inwards, तो magnetic field lines this is clockwise. This is clockwise. Direction of current is outward. The magnetic field lines is anti-clockwise. This is the lines also represent the magnetic field lines. This is lines also represent the magnetic field lines. Yeah, this rule. This is the right hand rules. It means right hand rule. RR rules. इस तरीके से. The thumb is also represent the direction of current. The magnetic field lines is also this. If thumb is represent the direction of current, the magnetic field lines this way. This is the right hand rules. So crosses also represent the direction of current is inwards. Dotted also represent the direction of current is outward, and magnetic field lines is also crossing the this direction of current. Magnetic field lines also crossing the this direction of current. This is also called solenoids. This is also called solenoids. Now consider a rectangular Amperian loop. Amperian loops P, Q, R, S also placed in the middle of the solenoids. Placed in the middle of the solenoids where PQ has the length L. This is along the magnetic field. QR and RS and SP. This is QR and RS and SP is also QR is perpendicular to the magnetic field. SPB perpendicular to the magnetic field, and RS is outside the magnetic field. So it means QR and SP is also will not contribute the Ampere circuital law. Ampere circuital law कि जो QR है, SP है या RS है, ये कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं करता किसको? Ampere circuital law को. Because QR perpendicular, it means angle is 90 degree. Same as SP perpendicular, it means 90 degree. Now total number of turn in the length L is N into L. N is the number of turn point length. Now using Ampere circuital law for complete loop PQRS, this is B vector dot DL vector equal to P to Q B vector dot DL vectors plus Q to R B vector dot DL vector plus R to S B vector dot DL vector plus S to P B vector dot DL vector. Because QR, this is perpendicular, it means cos 90 is 0. BDL cos 90 क्या हो जाएगा? 0. This value 0, this value 0, and this value is also 0. But only PQ has value is BDL cos 0 because PQ is parallel to the magnetic field. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Then the value of PQRS B vector dot DL vector equal to क्या आ जाएगा? B into L. Now from Ampere law, completely Ampere law for this Ampere loop is PQRS BDL equal to mu naught NLI where total number of turn in the length. This is mu naught NLI. From equation 1 and 2, BL is equal to mu naught NLI. L is cancel out. The value of the magnetic field is B equal to mu naught NI. B equal to mu naught NI. Mu naught is the absolute magnetic permeability of the free space. N is the number of turn point length. I is the current. Now not point at a point near the end of a solenoid. अगर हमें ये solenoid के near end, जो ये end है, इन एंडों पर आपको फाइंड करनी है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, तो क्या मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होगी? दिस इज B इक्वल टू म्यू नॉट NI/2. B equal to mu naught NI/2. This is the near end of the solenoid magnetic field is mu naught Ni upon 2, where n equal to, you know that n equal to capital N upon my L, where n equal to number of turn per unit length. Now note down this topic. Any problem, comment on the YouTube channels. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icons. Thank you for watching.